So this is how to buy Sky cryptocurrency in Canada on Robinhood. Once you guys open up the Robinhood app, go to the bottom in the middle and then select the search icon. Once you're here at the top, search by name or symbol. Just type in SKY or Sky and then select it. Then go to the bottom and press buy. In the top right, if you select market order, you can choose to do a market order in Canadian dollars or a market order in Sky. I'll just keep it at Canadian dollars for this example. And once you're here, you can go ahead and type in how much Sky crypto you want to purchase. So if you wanted to do $4 worth, you would type in 4 and then press review. Then you can review the transaction before you make it, so you can check out how much Sky you're purchasing, the fees, as well as the total cost. And if this looks good to you, you can go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So that is how you guys can buy Sky cryptocurrency here in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.